Hey everybody, it's Liz
and Kristen
from Bits and Pieces Quilt Shop. This is not our live sale. We're going to do that in approximately an hour, but we want to wish you a St. Patty's Day, and the leprechaun wants to let something out of the bag, right? Ooh! Where's our leprechaun?
We've had some stuff brewing around here. I
we
can't wait.
are just bursting at these seams.
And everyone comes in and they're like, you guys need more space. So,
let's go. We're going to give you a sneak peek. Now, it is raining out here, so we are going to walk. Rita's going to try not to make you sick.
Yep.
And we're going to walk around. Many years ago. How many years ago? Was it COVID? Before COVID?
it was about, when I started working here, you were still over here.
So, many years ago, before COVID. Anybody watching?
5 people.
Oh, that's good. So, many years ago, before COVID, as we said, Nick and I rented this stone cottage. And we're going to rent it again. Now, the big question is, why do we, and it is raining, don't worry.
A little bit.
You can walk under the alcoves. But, nice little handicap ramp here, right? Nice
Which
chairs.
comes in handy when you're,
Nice flower bucket right here, all that stuff. Can you just see quilts draped over this? Oh, I can. A couple rocking chairs for the men, right?
Oh.
Which way you want to go first?
We'll peek in this way, and then we'll go in that way.
We're going to peek in this way, because the guys are still making it oh so pretty. And we don't want to interrupt them, because they're on a deadline, right? Look at this. Look at this nice. Come on in.
Making it beautiful.
So, this nice space, look at the brand new lighting they put in. Thank you, Kelly. And a little kitchen over here. Right. Look at this space. Oh, so pretty. Right? Very nice. And this space. Now, the big question is, what will Bits and Pieces do with this? You're going to just have to stay tuned for that. Look out the front door.
Mum's the word.
Mum's the word. You can put in the comments some guesses.
Yeah.
This open, right? Yeah, look at this. View of the lovely parking lot, the trees. There's a nice sunset at night. You can't see it with the porch, right? This haunting ground. Hint, hint, hint.
It's just us trying to connect.
That's okay. Come outside.
Switch.
That's because what are we on? The internet over there? I don't know. All right. Well, we're going to sign off. We're going to let you enter your guesses below. So if you watch this on the replay, watch us at 10:30ish for our live sale, St. Patty's Day fun. New products. We're going to show the mystery quilt.
Oh,
So if you didn't watch last night, we're going to show the mystery quilt.
Get them because they're limited.
Yeah, and Kristen and I need to go get the live already. So just to give you a sneak peek.
See you soon.
Stay tuned. Sayonara.
Bye.